Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to be doing a comparison between RefreshMe and Quicken. Want to see which finance app wins. Managing money just got easier, but with RefreshMe and Quicken both promising financial freedom, which one actually delivers? Let's settle this in a few seconds. Let's start with who they are best for, or what they are best for. Well, RefreshMe is best for young professionals and simple budgeting, while Quicken is best for serious savers and long-term planning. Look at automation. RefreshMe has AI-powered spending insights and nudges, while Quicken has deep bank sync and investment tracking. If you look at them, are they user-friendly? Well, RefreshMe is clean, minimalistic, so that is great for beginners, while Quicken has more features but can feel overwhelming. When you look at pricing, RefreshMe has freemium model, that is basic free plan, while Quicken has paid-only plans that start at $3.99 a month. When we look at goals and savings, RefreshMe has set and forget, that is auto-saving, while Quicken is retirement, has debt payoff calculators. Then the last one, mobile experience. RefreshMe is super sleek, that is the mobile and gamified, while that of Quicken is functional but dated design. So RefreshMe is like your fun money coach, while Quicken is the OG finance guru. If you want painless budgeting, choose RefreshMe. If you need every financial detail, Quicken is your pick. For effortless money vibes, RefreshMe. For power users, Quicken. So which one is your style? Drop a comment, hit like if this helps, and subscribe for more app battles. See you in the next one.